the other day I was saying, to be a South African, it's beyond party card, yeah, boy, green card, normally, it's beyond that. A South African, being a South African, yeah, boy, umone hamba lo muntu yabo nangendlela asiphatha ngayo aba mannerism asifani nalabantu yabo ngisho singaqoka impahla ezithi ezifanayo simeshelana. But we can still tell you, no, this one is not a South African. Yeah. Because lo muntu une stress, une depression, uyashesha, ngathi uyabaleka. Nje aba mannerism asifani nalabantu. Ningakho ngihlale ngicasuka ama Pan-Africanists no ANC. Mabe no, these are our brothers. No, these are not our brothers. These are not our brothers. Asifani, ayikho into esifanisa nalabantu except skin sethu uthi simnyama sonke, but asifani. Thanks.
So, Commander, ngikhumbula one day I was listening to another panel. Angisazi ukuthi bekuyele ama patriots, but the topic was ukuthi why ama South African men are not marrying ama foreigners wabafazi abumama. So I was listening to each and everyone makangena la akhuluma and then abo baba bamaZulu, the Zulus were only saying, you know what, mina ngeke ngishada umfazi ongeka akwazi ukungithakazela, uba nozongibiza athi shenge nqengelele mnyamana. So makangeke azangibize ngalawo magama lawo nje akakhohlwa ngiyokhuluma isilungu kuze kuyovalwa. Cha, impela nje you know, I was so proud ukuthi, you know, laba bantu laba, like mawumbize kanjalo wathi shenge mnyamane nqengelele, ay man, noma ngabe yini uyifuna uyoyithola. So manje imagine ke mawumfazi weNigeria ushade umZulu, uyofika nini lapha le thakazelo uzokhona ukuzisho na ngesizulu ngesilungu na. So uyayibona ukuthi i division between thina nalabantu laba inkulu kakhulu, like at least mawala eMzansi ungaza naku ngumpedi mara ngiyazi uthoshenga onqengelele omnyamane osokwalisa. Yabona, I can say more of them because bayazithakazela siyabamamela. Angisi umZulu ngumpedi, but eziningi abombatha abomthiya ngiyazazi, abompangazitha abontombela ngiyazazi. So ngilibele ngumpedi kancane, yabona, hayi ukuthi ngizazi zonke deep, but abanikazi babo ngoba bayazithakazela. So ngikhona ukuketcha ngespeed. So for umuntu wangaphandle kuyoba difficult, guys, ngiyabona nje.
It's true, and angeke kube lula man, angeke kube lula. Yeah.
No, sanibona.
Morning, commanders. Hey, sisi ngimamelele into ishoyo. Ngimamelele into ishoyo. Mina sengithatha umuntu ongaphandle, sengizala umntwana oyintombazana ozogqoka size 10 mayisekhulile. Size 10. Uyabona ukuthi ama jeans wami mangizowa mix nje. Like, I mean, that bloodline yasekhaya uyabona ngeyimosha. Yo. Hey. Yeah, well, asinazihlanganisa nabo labantu. Mina ngimangazwa abashana bakhona. Kunzima ukuthi umdlalise ufika umntana weflat ethu njani. Ikhalala la khona ingathi igonzile ethile, ingathi ape.
Zulu.
Hayi.
So yeah, laba mthwakaza ngisho ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngenkathi zashaka ubani umzilikazi wabaleka nabantu bakhe. Bese khona lo uzwa ngendaba wequ umfula izimbezi waphelela le eMalawi boZambia bo nakuphi khona babaleka inkathi zemfecane.
Yeah, babizwa eMalawi babizwa ukuthi ngabonile. Babizwa ukuthi ngamangoni. Yeah, they bathanda ukuzi-aligna namaZulu, but they are not Zulus because ngamagwala abalayo. It is like namaXhosa, khona amaXhosa that are in Zimbabwe bahamba noCecil John Ross xa waye to Zimbabwe. Those Xhosas ngabanye abahambayo nje nabelungu nje babehohozela emva komlungu, and namanye amagwala futhi. Angazi ukuthi why bangavele balwe beyisaba kangaka induku. bangalwi nomnagwagwa abalungisa country yabo.
Usho amamfeku abalekela e-Eastern Cape bese bathola uJohn Siso Roads babaleka naye bathathwa naye bayokhi eZimbabwe amamfeku angazi ngisho kahle
amamfengu amanye wakhona ne amamfengu uqinisile amamfengu ne amamfengu amanye wakhona but others ne
like I always ask this question, guys. Like mawintombazana ne, like ufika nomuntu ongasi South African Guinea. Like I always ask this question, bathini like uma wakho ubaba wakho usisi wakho anyone bathini maba question like uza nomuntu especially Nigeria bathini
obvious bayamehlulela bayamjaja bathi yini lento silethela yona
and then bese uyaqhubeka na
yaqhubeka uzozi-explain hayi mama baba ngiyamthanda yazi uVictor umuntu olungile uVictor
akuna Victor eNigeria ukhona uVictor eNigeria
ukhona awu lesifaka Super Eagles uVictor Osimhen
Amaku ithi uAmaku uchele
yayini Amaku ungiphi imali ungenzani ungiphatha kahle kodwa yahlalwazi ukuthi imali
sini wena bathini qhubeka naye like ngifuna ukwazi guys as parents bathini because now mina what my mom will say don't enter this gate again hamba nalo muntu wakho ungaphindi uze la I know i-answer kamamami so ngifuna ukubuza abanye how do you like solve this situation because I know it's clear don't come here again I'm not your mother anymore ngazongisela nemihlolo la you understand I know ukuthi umama mzothini so ngifuna ukubuza kwabanye abazali like if umntwana akho azoza nomuntu walaye futhi Africa le kude bathini abazali babo bayajabula and then kenzakala
yazi
I don't understand for me
engiyibonile nje labantu laba bahamba bahlale nabo le I don't think ungathatha lento uyisekini noma sekuthiwa unesibindi kangakana ingene nje impela nje emagcekeni ngamabhemuda ninyawo namaphathaphatha
sorry ngibantasi
usufaka lento lekini hayi bafowethu unyathi umuzi wakini
sorry Patriots yazi ngifunda lento ebhalwe nguzingelwayo lapha ngezantsi uyabona kanifundeni lesasizulu sakhe angazi noma yisini na sinakala ukuthi isithwakazi liuvale I mean idrama yabo uyayizwa ukuthi manje bafuna uzassociate athi ufunde lo
isithwakazi
yini lento le
isithwakazi maqala ngo-L makathi uyi maqala ngo-I hayi hlalwazi isithwakazi.
If your grandchild was a
Kata
like I understand the absent father. Grandchild yami kube ikrikamba. It will never be a krikamba, guys. Let me tell you something. Guys, I have 3 boys. 3 handsome boys from a colored man. They know that umama, she's a patriot. They will never bring those things in my house. I even make follow-ups. My firstborn is 17. Ukuthi masuqala uJola sowuqinile, you must investigate ukuthi leyo ntombazana leyo. Ubaba akusigrigamba na. Ene mntanami ngamthola ukuthi ubaba khona yigrigamba. Uzohlala nayo le nenza abantwana le ningangeni la kwami. I always tell them they know ukuthi umama she's a patriot. They will never do that mistake. So mina I think nokukhuliseni abantwana siyafila kancane. If mina my dad is no more. He passed on 2023. I still respect that man because ngiyazi ukuthi yini ubaba bekazongibheka kayi1 ngiza neNigeria. Always 2, always 3 bekazosho ukuthi mntanami ngihlapha matso I know what my parents want. I don't know, or maybe ukuthi mina ngikhulise umama nobaba, but I know how abazali bala South Africa, how strict they are, how cultured they are. So I don't know, with some parents they are failing there and there. Or ila bantwana baya foster, guys. South African parents ngiyabazi ba strict, but like banomthetho, baya foster labantwana ukuletha lezi zinto zabo emajardini, guys. Baya foster. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, abazali bethu by South Africa.
Imagine.
Guys, this
Yeah.
guy.
Imagine senginomzukulu ekumele ngimhlabele ilizathi mangimenzela imbeleko.
Hayi man.
Ngimhlabele ilizimbeleko. Imagine.
Hayi man.
Yazi Mrs Khuleti akhona nama-nature angayithandi le mixing le angathandi abafowabo ukuthi bashade yabo dadewethu mama Igbo uthi like ngibazule kwenye iplatform akhuluma nje umunye athi hey, it must be pure Igbo, this mixing, I cannot deal with this mixing, you know. And now the children are proud of interbreeding and mixing. It's diluting our bloodline. Bakhona baso who wants to keep tradition yama Igbo. So
Uyazi angithi how they feel about the Yorubas. Abafuni baze bebabatshela nini bathi the Igbos must stop marrying the Yorubas. So uyababona labantu labo ukuthi le tribalism is too much within them because they don't even want the intermarriage anymore. So Tina, we don't have that, guys. Tina, as long as you are a South African man, yabona Tina sinayo umkhonyana nomzulu lana as per the people, we don't have a problem. Uyazi usibani. And he's a pure Zulu. Uyazi siyamthanda. Yabona. So ayiyo
labantu laba mabangena la kupanel sicela ukuthi ke bazitsho ke bazithuthe man ukuthi size sibone ukuthi siphelele na la ekhaya so asifudi nje indoda izovela la uyazi ukuthi ibuyaphi sicela ukuthi ke uzitsho
awuthi ke ndizichaze ngiqale ngami awuke ngiqale ngami mna ngumnune mina uDoyi uXesibo noNyawana nibhaca phuma le Eastern Cape ikomani so nabakwazi uzithu
so nke uthi i30 momfo i30 come on na ke bebes ke tswa metsi mathata bokoni metsi maropulantsho mo go dumileng se
wait kancane uPG uhlala anenkinga guys when he gets to the panel instead of saying hey uzofika la asithuke yeah understand host angazi guys or asiphele uPG a chance. But what I know ukuthi uyasithuka.
Yeah, like
akakwazi uzithutha phela that is the reason
OPG bekangidelela lapha kuma comments so I invited him. Mina ngizona namadoda adelela kuma comments indoda emelize la izosikhulumela into eshoyo.
Mawubani awuna ntwana ibuwa nali busy fela. Anzali hey abafowethu ama-Greek uthi ama-Greek asikuphikisi uyabona ungaya kuma panel wabo uhambe uyoyenza lento leyo yokuba umfweni but hayi la bazolalela thina whatever that we are saying here
PG,
so manje uyabhora
PG, how's it?
So Baba, I'm fine and yourself.
Uthi skipani?
Ndithi kwale nto yoba abantu bathuka abantu xa sebephindisa iba yingxaki. Ingxaki yam.
Oh yakho leyo so ufuna izinto izinkinga zakho kube izethu.
No kaloku sanuthuka abantu xa nithukwa nani benengxaki.
Oh.
Yeah.
So wait guys. So uyi lawyer lapho?
Yitheni?
Are you their advocate? Okay, as their advocate, I would like to say, you are not God of us. You're not the one to tell us what to do and not to do. If you feel offended by how we speak to people, go start your own life and speak to them the way you would want to speak to them.
But why is it become a problem?
Can I finish?
When you shout at the people, you call them names when they're giving you the taste of your own. Uba nengxaki. What logic do
Like
you use?
I repeat again, it's our platform who decide what we do and what we don't want to do.
Understand that is your platform, but usuba nengxaki xa uthukwa nawe.
Angisho asibi nayo inkinga bhuti. Sibi nayo.
Abantu madoda xa ningafuna uthukwa simbo. Esokolisa
Kanti look dude, who said asifuni ukuthukwa?
andifunda kaloku xa
Who said it? Who told you ukuthi asifuni? Tell me, who told you ukuthi asifuni?
nithetha oko loo nto leyo. Kaloku andiqala lo ngena kwipanels mani ngena kwipanels.
Pendula umbuzo wami. Who said asifuni ukuthukwa? Don't you think ukuthi we know that if you attack, people would want to retaliate? Don't you think we're old enough to know that?
Uyimamele le bethela ngumnune ba? Kanye uyimamelanga. Umnune bethela phambi kwakho khange uyimamele. Kodwa ifuna uyiva ngam nawe bethela phambi kwakho umnune.
Buti, yazi ukuthi abantu abafana nawe ne, it's more safe like uthola ibhasi ihamba, then you just want to get in, not knowing iqala kuphi and all of that. That's the
nakudala lapha ezantsi mamela kwikhomenti.
yeah, dalu lapha enzasi yabo ngiyasho exactly. Uthi ufika manje la, you don't know how cruel these people have been to us. You know nothing basically. Your posture. What do you
mean when you say I don't know? I know nothing.
You know nothing about how hostile these people are to defend.
These people they become so angry because alone I never took. If you shouted to be
ukhalela amagramba wena PGs ukhalela amagramba wena
sibafuni futhi andasuxelelwa nguwe.
Guys, wait.
Yebo kaloku anisuxelelwa ngabo but nani sanobaxelela.
Post, you are a liar. I know I am a liar and I'm proud. Request and tell me that on my face. Look, ne PG.
lalela la ungali usidalele kuyisonto wena.
PG, I'm gonna say this politely and respectfully so. Dude, go open your life and be an advocate for these people. Don't come to our own turfs and tell us what to.
Okay, can I give you a free advice, Gebut?
No. I don't need it. I don't need your advice. I do not need your advice. Have you ever been on their panels? Have you ever been on their panels? Have you ever been?
But you shouted them.
Yes. Oh no, PG. PG. You are the sweetest. You know, you are the kindest man on earth. You are the best that there is. Oh hey, PG, the angel of the house has arrived. So childish.
Isithakazelo sakho uyisilwane. Mawungasazi isithakazelo sakho uyisilwane.
I'm gonna repeat this, guys. I'm gonna repeat this. We not going to. Guys,
I'm a South African.
I'm gonna do one thing, PG, and I will say this again.
Sure.
Go open your life and advocate for your people there and there. You're not gonna come here and tell me what to do. You're not gonna tell me. You're not gonna tell us what to do. Simple, straightforward. If you want to be an advocate for something, go and start your own initiative. Advocate for those people. Go to their panel and tell them exactly how you feel about them. Show them love. Show them that you care about them. But do not walk in our territory and believe that you can just tell us what we need to do and not to do. Who the hell do you think you are?
It is not that yazondwa wena xa ufika ngale ngqondo yakho ufika sihlelele kwiplatform yethu. Platform yamathandazo le. Sithanda izwe lethu. Njengoba nina nithengisa nje.
Guys, why am I moderating?
Ngithande kalo lizwe but usuthuka umuntu xa uthuka umuntu ube nengxaki. Ayo ngxaki lethande lizwe lakho but usumthuka umuntu xa ungafuna uthuka nawe. Mila.
No,
uPG. Half and half mna ndilikwere mna. Andiyoni half and half ke mna. Qobele kwere ke mna.
Singena phi mkhulu?
Awulilo mhlawumbe ulilo uzalwa lilo. Mhlawumbe uzalwa lilo.
Jay-Z request.
Mhlawumbe uzalwa lilo.
Jay-Z lona.
Kodwa mina ngifuna ukuthi ngisho ithakazelo zami. Mina mabangibona nje ngingisimelani bathi makujo. Maguja Mbonaphi, Mgidi Mlotshwa. Ya, mama ngibona ke ndoda semnambithi.
Ke re kgome ya swa.
And you know guys, sorry guys,
Hayibo, kgomo ya tswa,
uJay-Z
ingena
kunento
apha
ayibhalile la ngezantsi uthi uZandile uxolweni bafethu uJay la ngezantsi ethi uZandile akazazi iclaim names zakhe. uZandile uyazazi iclaim names zakhe ne ukuthi
guys.
bakhe bachipha baze eGauteng bazohlala eGauteng. uZandile is originally from lapha kulomhlaba le wasemaXesibeni ne stuff copy la area le on the eastern side of Eastern Cape. And Kazandile is well known, even the relatives zakhe. Kuno Reverend othanda uba kumhlobo wenene, Reverend is well known, is a relative of uZandile among iclan yakhe. Uze uyazichaza uZandile ukuthi unta ungumafu ungumbhele. It's the way azicula ngakhona ukuthi ungubani na. Need to investigate ukuthi umbhele ngabo bani eEastern Cape, not that nje bamjobha uZandile ukuthi akazazi ukuthi akabe kanamakhaya. Like mina ne, I grew up here eGauteng ne, abantwana I grew up emakhaya Eastern Cape, then nginabantwana la eGauteng. Abantwana bami emakhaya ewe ngiyabathatha ngibahambise bobona le ekhaya, but mostly bakhulela la eJozi. They not know izinto deep zesiXhosa, but I'm trying by all means to teach them ukuthi nandlela esiphila ngayo singamaXhosa sikanje nangoku soon oyi1 sengimolusile le ngahamba ngamsentabeni okwenza amasiko wesiXhosa. They have to do it because that's what defines us, indlela esichaza ukuthi thina singaboba. So mabanga ezininto ezisinakho sapho obo Jay-Z, it's because of anazi ngeSouth Africa nina thina ama South Africans siyazazi.
Guys, ngo9 we are taking offering, guys. Thank you. Ngiyadlala.
Host, into engiyibonile uthatshe ama-sensitive nerves. Yabona masikhuluma ngamasiko, sikhuluma ngama-clan names wethu. Guys, we talking now ngabantu abalele, sivusa nabalele. Manje laba abadukile abalahlekile baba ne problem, like guys se umuntu wafike ku panel azolwela ukuthi sizitsho thina sithi khulumani ithakazelo zenu, ungalwela leyo nto ngoba nawe ngabe uyaphakama like ubhudi la phansi umnuti uphakamile sikhuluma la waze wazitsho ngasho ngathi hayi khuphuka Zulu, ngimzwile ukuthi ukhuphukela ukuthi hey niyangigcwalisela. So abantu abakhalayo no, these people are having problems shem, mhlambe balahlekile guys. Angazi ukuthi singabayenzela yiphi plan host zama enye mhlambe ukuthi labantu abanganayithakazelo sibazameni kanjani ngoba thina it's in our blood. I don't know ukuthi singayenza kanjani.
Azami umuntu la. Okay, ngiyavuma kunabantu abangazazi ithakazelo zabo. The South Africans abazazi, mele bayofuna babheka bomkhulu babo benzeni bazama iplan bazithola. Angeke phela umhlolo lo angeke. Hayi
Ijuthi indlela vele sizozazi ngakhona, singa infiltrate vele. Kubalekile ukuzazi ithakazelo zakhona ukuthi udabapha namasiko akho.
Kunomunye la ngasikudala bekasho ithakazelo waseZimbabwe. Usibize ngobani? Uzwane. Yeah, uthe uzwane. What the hell is that? Sinozwane, ayuzwane. And oh my goodness, you could tell nje ukuthi they are doing the most, to just imitate anything. Oh my goodness. But this guy, Readiness was angry, young.
Angazi ukuthi usakhumbula ngenye imini la benibambe ipanel, there was this guy bekabhale igama lakhe ukuthi Mkhize, and then abantu abase KZN bathi mabangena ku panel bathi khabazela
Khabazela.
Yes, the guy mabambuzo how Kabazela watula watitu. Ati no, guys, I don't understand that. I'm coming from Congo. Imagine.
Yo.
Sanibonani linjani?
They just like a other Nigerian guy who called himself Kumalo, and I got angry, and he said, "You know what? I gave myself a Kumalo because I love Dr. Kumalo from Kaizer Chiefs." Yeah, got.
Hello, bless, molo bless.
Sanibona
Nangu bless,
mthwakazi.
asamkelo bless. Hello, bless, right?
Sanibonani linjani?
Siyaphila mthwakazi.
Siyaphila sisi.
Linjani makwele
Tobela.
Name yakho sisi, besicela claim name yakho.
linjalo lina linjalo.
Besicela big claim sisi.
Linjalo lina maZimbabwe linjalo. Lifunelani lizoyenzana?
Hayi sifuna uyazi nje, ba unayo na?
Ngithi lizoyenzana clan name yami.
Be clan name, not a sense. Clan name.
Naki maleka machweni alibule buti.
All right.
And a white king, I just want to ask Africans, people from Africa, what is wrong if a person is asked to go back home? What is it that is wrong? If a person, your host is asking you to go back home, lento labantu bayizelayo la kule panel and then fight. What are they fighting for? Are they fighting for us to allow illegal migrants to stay in South Africa, or are they fighting for something else? I wanted to ask that PG guy, now, what is his problem? Why anyaka alawe makwerekwere if he's not one of them? If he's born from a South African parents, or he's not dating illegal migrants, or the illegal migrants are in his family, why is he having a problem when a person is asked to go back home, especially if you are illegal in South Africa? Should we allow the rule of law to be spiraling out of control? Should we allow each and every migrant to do as they please in South Africa? We are simply asking the illegalities to stop. So, for sure, liangizwa angithi. Mrs. Kool-Aid.
I think a PG, because riche motho le motho ga etla mo paneleng o tlameile a ithete azicho azithuthe, so ayikho lento le ayikho uyabona, he doesn't fit kunzima la thina siyazicho sithi thina nake tswa metsi mathatha bokoni metsi marupulantsho mo go dumileng sa malope se duma phororo. That's me.
No,
That's
we
where
don't
I'm
care.
coming
If you are
from.
a
That's
migrant in South
all.
Africa,
Good morning.
pack your. Now, a good morning.
How are you, sister?
What the hell
Which
is
sister
this
are you
now?
talking
What
to?
the hell is this? Doctor?
Mhlekaza kahle wo unganqami sunqami. Unqami. Eja.
Doctor?
Imamele
Hey,
dad.
Dr. PG.
Doctor,
Intoni
never do
lewe
that ever in your
intoni
life.
lewe ikhulumayo.
Yes. Doctor, never do that ever in your life.
Gazithuthe doctor, doctor zithuthe.
Ndimnandi ngumqwathi unono untswayibani ngingwakwa
Doctor.
mantashe bata
Hey, this
madoda.
guy. Doctor,
Eja.
don't you ever do that. Uzozithola uvithiziwe. Yes.
Ndingumqwathi mna unono udikela untswayibani unomatyala. Ndim lo madoda. Udikela omkhulu.
I almost vitiz at you. Like, yo, ukisha ngakutshela izivitizi.
Ngoba ndithi how are you, sister?
Ubuzawuvuka esantini uphanze wakhe ubuzawuvuka
How are you,
esantini
sister?
ndiyakuxelela.
Emlonyeni.
How are you, sister? How are you, sister?
I for sure now ugqoke size 28 yeklepeklepe.
Guys, do
Molweni
not
bethuna.
accept my
Ngidumelisa
moderator.
bomme, ngidumelisa bontate, ngidumelisa kalufena molweni. Siyanibonani thabelani.
Doctor, wait a bit.
Okay,
Moderators,
Mhlekazi.
don't bring the people who are requesting up, please. Yo, Lesandla Lisa. Yes, sis. I'm traumatized.
Sandla sayini Balsikhof.
I'm traumatized.
Yena lo PG guys, yena lo PG oclaima ukuthi ungumXhosa, ungumXhosa wapi? Ngoba ngibheke iprofile yakhe akana nesithombe esi1. Labantu they are gaslighting us. Even Pakistanis can speak Xhosa. Pakistanis that are in Limpopo, they speak Sepedi. So
guys,
ungumXhosa wapi yena?